Hey guys, I'm Matt. Today this video let me show you the MacBook Pro 2020 model, Intel model, and you can see the CPU is Intel Core i7, and the RAM is 32 gigabytes, and the 13-inch display, and the storage is 1 terabyte. And you can see the battery information. The battery cycle count 89 times, and you can see this is a silver color, and you can see the touch bar, no problem, no broken, and no scratches. The touch bar. Okay, the speaker grills also no scratches, and let me show you the logo surface. Okay, 13-inch. Okay, no problem, and you can see a slight scratch here. Okay, no problem, and let me show you the back. Also the back, no problem. The back, no problem. And let me show you the ports. You can see a little bit of traces of use the ports. Okay, no scratches here. A little scratch, you can see a little scratch. And let me show you. Okay, a little scratch here. No problem here. Here, no problem. I can see this. No problem. This edge also no problem. And let me show you the 13-inch display. Let me show you the 13-inch display. Okay, and I'll close this window. Use the software. Okay, the screen. This is the black. Okay, the black, no problem. A dust. Okay, no problem. Not the brightest parts. Okay. Next. Okay, the white page. Okay, also no problem. And another. Okay, you can see the red. Also no problem. The green also no problem. So no problem. It's the okay. The screen is no problem. And let me show you the keyboard. You can see the keyboard. Yeah, say no problem. Okay, the keyboard, no problem. No problem. Okay, the keyboard, no problem. And let me show you the specification one more time. This is 2020 model and 13-inch and Intel Core i7, 13-inch and 1 terabyte. And you can see the battery information. The battery cycle count 89 times. And if you want to buy, you can contact me. Okay, you can also subscribe to my channel. I will share more information about the MacBook. Okay, see you in the next video.